LegalZoom, the go-to legal tech firm for businesses and individuals. Is this the breakout stock everyone's been waiting for? Today, we're diving deep into its stats, valuation, and future outlook, all from fresh data. First off, LegalZoom has a market cap of $1.6 billion and an enterprise value of $1.42 billion. Solid figures, but what do the details tell us? By next quarter, the company is slated to report earnings on August 6th, 2025. Mark your calendars. Now check out these valuation metrics. The trailing PE is a sky-high 52, but the forward PE comes down to 13.3, suggesting investors expect future profitability. The PEG ratio is just 0.62, hinting at undervaluation relative to expected growth. Meanwhile, the EV/EBITDA sits at 34, which is steep, but not unheard of in high-growth tech. Let's evaluate balance sheet strength. LegalZoom holds approximately $210 million in cash versus just $14.6 million in debt, leaving a net cash position around $1.08 per share, a nice cushion. Operating cash flow clocks in at $152 million, with free cash flow at $116.6 million, roughly a 16.9% FCF margin. That's efficiency meeting stability. Return on equity is approximately 17%, and ROIC just north of 10%. Respectable returns for shareholders. Over the past year, LZ has soared 45% climbed, with a beta of 1.23, signaling more volatility than the broader market. RSI currently sits around 50, suggesting the stock isn't overbought or oversold. It's in neutral territory. Short interest sits at 5.5% of shares. Watch for any short squeeze possibilities if sentiment swings. Analysts currently peg this stock as a hold, with an average price target of $9.08, just about 2% upside from today's $8.90. That slim expected gain suggests limited near-term enthusiasm among pros. Pros: strong cash-rich balance sheet, healthy free cash flow and margins. PG indicates growth undervalued. Cons: high current valuation metrics, limited analyst upside, below ideal current ratio 0.77, poses short-term liquidity concerns. Ideal investor: you're into cash flow-driven growth plays, don't mind a bit of volatility, and believe LegalZoom can expand profitability further. So, LegalZoom is a financially healthy firm with growth baked in its valuation, though future upside from here might be limited. Keep an eye on their August 6th earnings and how they deliver on margins. If you're a long-term believer in legal tech disruption, LZ might belong on your radar. But for trading, the next catalysts are crucial. Let me know in the comments, are you bullish on LegalZoom's future? Hit like, subscribe, and click the bell for more deep dives.